How to share your Binance referral link with your friends. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to refer a friend about your Binance link or Binance code, here's what you can do. So first thing, simply head over to your Binance application and make sure you're currently logged into your account. Now just tap on this hamburger icon at the top left corner just like this, and once you tap on that, or you can also actually simply click on this referral option right under this shortcut option over here. And once inside here, you can also actually choose between the different types of referral mode if you want to earn more by referring to your friends. So you can basically tap on this invite now button over here and simply share this referral link, or you can directly send them using different social media platforms as you can see at the bottom of your screen, such as WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, Facebook, etc. Or you can also just copy the link from over here and send it manually to your friends accordingly. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.